It's that time. I'm gonna load up Racy Red onto the carport so I can get back to California. Our stay is ending. He's gonna pack up, get ready. See you in California. That's hilarious. I'm like right behind the Racy Red. I'm on my way down to Nellis Air Force Base, and I all of a sudden I'm like, hey, there's a Racy Red. Is that funny? Actually, the Racy Red was bought from here in Las Vegas back in 2017, I believe. I remember when I vlogged it, making a special trip just to buy it ASAP from a friend's patient who no longer had a use for it. Absolutely grateful for meeting such a kind man like Joseph and knowing he was truly happy with us purchasing it for my mom. Buying this wheelchair van has saved us in so many ways. It became such a challenge to find a good wheelchair transport service, especially with trips that would cost a minimum of $100 for a round trip to the doctor's office each time, and relying on their schedule and not ours. We love the Racy Red and know how blessed we are to have such a reliable wheelchair transportation for Queen G. Best purchase ever. Hopefully you can hear me over the air conditioner. It's probably about almost 100 degrees right now. It's about 12:30. It's our last day here in Las Vegas. I had to make a real quick trip to Nellis Air Force Base to exchange one of my Lancome dual press powder. It was in a shade way too light for me. So which is fine because it gave me an opportunity to come and shop without Queen G, so I can take my time, which I did. I was so close in buying a new handbag, but decided not to. But I did have to buy some like shampoo and stuff like that for our house here because I'm running low on just on certain things. And then also they had a sale going on, 15 off of 100 or 5 off of 50 for some of their cosmetics, for all their cosmetics and personal care. So I took advantage of that. Why not? Couponing, trying to save some money, budgeting, and it's just stuff that I rarely ever see in stock at my CVS. So I thought, why not go ahead and buy the stuff that I needed, especially Milani lipstick. Milani lipstick at my CVS has been out of stock for months. So I'm headed back now. I just text Jay. I'm going to pick up some sandwiches on the way home. And Queen G, she's still sleeping. So I'm going to let her rest because tomorrow we're going to be traveling for about 9 hours straight. I'm hoping. But if not, we might have to pull in at Edwards Air Force Base in Mojave Desert. So we'll see how that one goes. My dad's already at our home in California, so he's actually opening up the house and he's watering my lawn because he was saying that my lawn looks like it's dying. So he's been watering and all that. So he's attending our nephew's high school graduation. It's my stepsister's oldest son, so he's graduating today. So he's going to attend that, and then I think he said he's going to go to San Francisco tomorrow. So at least he'll enjoy the city while we're traveling. So that just worked out, and it was so funny seeing the racy red on the transporter track. Wasn't that funny on the way here? So I texted a picture to Jay and I recorded it for Queen G so I could show her the racy red being transported. So it seems like there's a lot of traffic going on today. A lot of road work, and it looks like there is a car crash right here. Oh, bummer. So, anywho, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys caught on my first live. I was super excited. It was a lot of fun. I can understand why people do lives for like 2 hours. I'm like, how do they stay online for 2 hours? I was on there for 41 minutes and it went by so fast. I didn't even want to stop. But we had to watch Maverick, Top Gun, which we totally enjoyed. It is a must-see, just like everybody says. The IMAX experience was awesome. I mean, just the planes and the loudness alone was worth it. It was cool. Jay wants to see it again when we return, so we might go back and watch it again. Matter of fact, yesterday, let me try to insert some footage here. We went downtown on Fremont Street because that's something that I wanted to do while we were here and we didn't get to because we got sick, but that's okay. So yesterday we decided to take full advantage, take Queen G down the strip, which we did. We drove it, and if you follow me on Instagram, you saw those stories. Those were fun. And then we ended up on Fremont Street. We had dinner, and then we gambled a little bit, played a little bit. We watched the sunset go down, and then we headed home. And we just had a wonderful last day on the strip, or in the city part of Las Vegas. Later this evening, we're going to barbecue with our family. We got some ribs, some chicken. I picked up some more corn on the cob, chicken drumsticks, and I got some potatoes I'm going to place in my crock pot for tonight. So tonight is going to be all about family. I can't wait. I'm pretty sad though because I didn't really get to hang out as much as I really planned for. So so tonight we're going to try to make the best of it, have a family night tonight, and then when we return back home in California, I get to make up and spend some time with my dad. So anyways, I will see you guys in a bit. It's about 90, so I don't know if we're gonna sit out here or not, but got a cooking with Jay, little sneak peek, just kidding. Ooh, all that chicken. What'd you use?
I use some Kinder's tequila lime sauce, and then I'm doing some short ribs. I use the Kinder's brown sugar rub, and then I'm doing the Anaheim peppers, olive oil, Italian seasoning with a little bit of garlic powder.
Nice. So that's all we're doing for today. We're just gonna relax. I have my sister and niece.
And then I'll sauce them here in a little bit. Barbecue sauce on.
Smells delicious. So we're just in there watching America's Funniest Videos, letting my sister and niece just kind of chill with Queen G. Beautiful evening. We may just enjoy having dinner out in the patio. We'll see. Even though our trip caught an unexpected turn, we made the best of it. And my dad and stepmom have been staying at our home in California for several days now, waiting for our arrival home and visit with them. Until next time, Vegas, we loaded up once again and off to California. Some funny things we find on a road trip, huh? I had to take pictures just to share with all of you. Isn't that hilarious? I was driving behind a bull. Okay, as I was editing this last episode of Las Vegas series, I thought I would share this photograph I have on my office billboard. It's yours truly back in 1997 at the Binion's Hotel on Fremont Street. What a gem of a photo. I sure hope you enjoyed this Las Vegas Trip 2022 series. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I mean, what are you waiting for? Hey, thanks for watching.